Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your Starbucks stars. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you actually want to do is open up the Starbucks app, and if you don't yet have the Starbucks app, you can just download it from the App Store. From there you just want to sign into your account, or if you've just downloaded the app, go ahead and create an account. And once you are logged in and you open the app, you will then be on the Starbucks homepage. From there on the home, you should be able to see this screen which is in the middle, and it will say good morning, and it will also show you how many stars you actually have in your balance. And just underneath that, it shows you what sort of milestones you have to get to in order to actually redeem your cards. So as you can see, there's currently 278 stars in the balance, and we've just hit the 200 milestone. So that allows us to get a lunch sandwich, a protein box, or a salad, or we can spend less stars and get stuff like a hot drink, bakery item. You can basically choose what you want, and when you have decided what you want, you can go ahead and click this redeem button down here. Now from there, we'll be able to create our order, as you can see on the screen on the right. You can simply add what you want to your cart, and as long as it is something you can actually claim with your stars, you can actually use your stars to then pay for the items. From there, you can check out and collect your order, and you will have successfully redeemed your Starbucks stars. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.